Hear this and declare it with faith. God will finish what he starts in my life. If he began a good work in your life, he will not abandon it halfway. If he planted the seed, he will bring the harvest. If he opened the door, he will complete the journey. God finishes what he starts. Lord, perfect everything concerning me. Every unfinished blessing, every delayed promise, and every incomplete breakthrough. Let them be completed by your power. Father, where I experience delay, release completion. Where I face setbacks, establish progress. Where things stopped, let them move forward again. Let incomplete things be completed. Complete my joy. Complete my healing. Complete my testimony. Lord, align every detail of my life according to your will. Nothing you started in me will be wasted. Nothing assigned to bless me will remain unfinished. Perfect my destiny. Perfect my efforts. Perfect the work of my hands. I reject cycles of starting and not finishing. I step into divine completion and fulfillment. Grace will carry me to the finish line. This season, I will not stop halfway. I will not be stranded in the middle. I will finish strong by the help of God. Father, perfect everything concerning my life, my family, my career, and my purpose. God finishes what he starts. My story will end in testimony. My journey will end in victory. Amen. If this prayer encouraged you, like this video, subscribe for more powerful prophetic prayers and share it with someone trusting God for completion. Type "It will be completed" in the comments as a declaration of faith.